Hi, my name is Angelica Thomas. I'm working this week in the DVD Divine Choreography, the school dancing for him. The key of the choreography is allow the Holy Spirit to work in our heart. The choreography is the gift, is the ability that is coming only from God. Pray is very, very important. I like the song that I choose for this practice. We enter in the stage very simple and easy, and we take it our place to start the dance. I learned many things this week, and I hope you like my homework. Thank you.